new Dell model here at work. This is the Dell Latitude E6230, the 12-inch model. The ultra portable, as they call it, kind of reminiscent of the D430 series. This system does not have a internal C-ROM drive. That is what this nice little caddy is for right here. It uses a standard internal 13-pin CD drive and what appears to be a Dell proprietary eSATA connection for the caddy side and the standard eSATA for the laptop or docking station side. You've got two USB 3 HDMI connection, your wireless flipper switch, express card slot, your gigabit Ethernet, your power, VGA, headphones, and eSATA powered USB. There's no actual latch, it's like the bigger models. This is the Core i7 model with a Samsung OEM 256 gig SSD. This is the standard keyboard that they've been using on this E-series laptops. This does have the Fingerprint Reader and Smart Card Touch Reader. Interesting enough, when you order these, if you pick the Core i7 processor, by default you get the Fingerprint Reader and the Smart Card Reader for whatever reason. I have no idea why those two are connected, but you do. This has the extended battery. Flip it over. And this has the one screw bottom, like the old E6510 and 6500 series. Take the screw off, pull the lid back, pull the cover back, and it comes off. Here's the hard drive bay. You have to remove these two screws, and this is one of the 90-degree SATA connectors, and you can use this tab to pull up and remove the hard drive. There's your heatsink assembly. This is an integrated CPU. There's no ZIF socket under there. There are your two memory slots. Here are your speakers. They're quite large. I don't know how much of these are actually a speaker, but the ones on the bigger Latitudes are like half that size, if that. So I'll have to see how loud this is. Pretty neat arrangement under here. You've got your wireless card and your two extra slots for more wireless cards. Those are not M-SATA card slots. My only complaint so far about the layout here is this is the speaker cable assembly right there that is just kind of draped over the heatsink pipe there. It runs up there and tapes there and runs down here underneath here and there. I know from experience that heat and wire don't go together, especially over time. So I checked with the Dell techs and they assure me that's the routing from the factory, and I guess, you know, if these stickers can hold up on here, I guess we'll see how well these speaker wires hold up. So other than that, the system seems as solid as the other E6500 and so forth series seems to be. So can't wait to get this one ready and get it out to the employee. Thanks for watching.